Hi folks, it's Matt here. I'm not at the workshop today. I've been allowed out and I'm at a classic car show locally. This is the M4 Karting near Chippenham, so all the go-kart action's going on inside there. But we've got lots of classic cars turned up today, so let's have a little look around and see what's here. Now I'm here with minis today, but they're not as small as these. We've got some bubble cars here, some really nice examples here. And of course a TVR. Triumph Herald. Got a subtly modified Volvo Amazon here. And then a couple of my favourites as well. I like the old German cars, so we've got an Audi 80 and a Jetta here with some interesting modifications. And a big 5 Series on the end. There's a nice hot rod here. And back onto some more German stuff. Beetle, Carmen Gear. That one's very low indeed. Naturally more minis. Always popular. A big Chevrolet 6-cylinder here. Oh no, it's a V8 that one. And another Mini. Good example in Henley Blue. And then we've got a couple of Rolls Royce. There's a Lamborghini tucked in there as well. And it's not just cars here today. We've got a lovely array of motorbikes. I'm not hugely knowledgeable about these, but I do have a scooter myself. And there's a nice Lambretta here and a Vespa. And one for Jake. There's a C5. I'm sure he'd love to see that one. And we've got some other classic and interesting bikes here. And a Helix White. And a Mustang GT350. And then really cool on the end here is a little Honda 600. Really cool little thing. Look at that tiny little engine in there. This is immaculate. Beautiful car. Loving this one. We've got some off-roaders on the hill here. So some nice Land Rover examples. There's an American Dodge pickup here as well. And a couple more Land Rovers, including this desert colour one. Really cool. And a 90 on the end there. It's really starting to get busy here now. We've got some other interesting cars. There's a lovely 90 here. Got the MG Club here as well. Lovely array of MGBs. Beetle here. Got a 1500 Riley by the looks of it, or a 1300 could be in fact. Really clean Mark II Fiesta there. Really clean machine that. Oh, I've seen before. This is a fairly local Escort XR3. Really nice one. early Golf Mark 1 convertible there, GTI. Morris Marina. Yellow Skoda pickup, always good fun. Tiny little Fiat 500 Abarth here. Let's have a little look around this one. Really nice detailing on the seats. Very nice indeed. Suzuki Ignis, great fun though. You see quite a few of those on club rallies. Looks like this one's been prepared for something similar. And big contrast in size, we've got a Chevrolet Apache pickup here. And Lotus 7 base kit car. Morris 1000 Traveller. Some more British nice things here. We've got a MGTF TR7. .124 Spider and a Figaro. Figaros are always great. Very accessible, classic that. Huge Mercedes. Naturally owning a Toyota coupe myself, a Paseo, this Sierra from about 94 I think this one is. It's quite a cool machine with its funky doors. Nice little example, this one. I do like the dashboard in this one actually, the yellow. There's a very, very cool 70s Datsun 240Z here. Brown over orange. Again, with a few subtle modifications, bigger wheels and brakes evidently on this one. What a lovely thing. Super Samurai. Really nice. Down here's another Mustang, and then we've got some Marcos, from the Marcos Club here. Some really nice cars here from them, beautifully presented. And then there's some more interesting classics here. We've got a 190, again all accessible classics these. Porsche 968, a Metro Learner car, fantastic. Volvo 940. 36 BMW convertible there. There's an MGZR there. I'm sure Mr. Lloyd would like that one. A couple of TRs. Very nice. And it's a bit packed where I'm heading next, but that's for good reason. We've got a 106 rally and a 205 rally. No, sorry, a 205 is a 1.6 GTI. Today. We've got all sorts of variety going on here of our classics. There's Michael's Phoenix, which is actually a plastic car, been painted with rusty pink. Some other really nice examples from around the West Country that come down today. And this is Kenny's prize-winning body-kitted Mini. MPI Cooper here, late one with ox-clad leather. Very nice. Next fully restored Cooper Sport. Beautiful, one of the last of the line, that one, from 2000. And Lee's Cooper 35. Another very limited one of 200. A Mark II here called Cosmic, which is very, very interesting indeed. It's been through a few turbo engines recently, but it's currently normally aspirated, but it does some miles, and the owner really enjoys that, and his daughter too. Lots of good club minis here. And Sean's Works convertible as well. Very nice machine. That's what I'm in today. Probably one of its last outings actually before it gets remodelled. And we'll finish up with Muttley the Mini and his 998 Turbo. It's been a great little event, this. M4 Karting near Chippenham. I think we'll be back next year. See you all soon.